I got this shirt from Waylander. If you guys remember, in a previous post on Instagram, I got their jacket, which I loved, and they reached out to me and asked if I wanted to try something else, and one of the things was this shirt. 4X shirt. I'm a big guy. It's comfortable. It's super long for the tall people. Sleeves go all the way out. Very nice material. And out of the package, it's comfortable. This is a really nice shirt. So yeah, I can't wait to use this. Thank you, Waylander. Awesome products. Again, awesome.